Hey, ladies and gents, of course, Chateau de Crispin 1 and 1. Just going through my cellar and I found some 2015 wine, so kind of opening up a few things here, try to make sure I have, of course, I do use the Vino pump, of course. It makes life a little bit easy. Oh, that was kind of fast. Yeah, as you can tell. So I'm gonna taste this. This is a 2015 that I made back in 2015. Looks like the color is still amazing on there. And as you know, I always put back my things right. Make everything right. So that's a 2015. I'm not trying to mess it. I'm just going. This for professionals, as you know. Put that one back. Woo! It's heavy. Yep. Get that bad boy. Oh, see, I actually didn't go all the way in. That's for me being lazy. Alright, so we're getting there. Yep, we're good. So, color is good, man. I love this one. So refreshing. This was, let's get this brandy smell to it. Color is amazing. The nose is amazing. Salute, salute.